How to instantly clear your stomach. Step 1. Prepare the following ingredients. 4 cups of hot water. 2 teaspoons of sea salt or Himalayan pink salt. 2 tablespoons of pure lemon juice. A jar with a lid or a glass. Start by heating the water. Next, combine all ingredients in your jar and place on a lid. Shake the mixture to make sure that the salt is entirely dissolved in the lemon water. When the colon cleanse drink is ready, have it right away. Default text once you're done. Lay on your side and slowly massage your stomach in a clockwise direction. You will feel a bowel movement soon.